Hello, my name is Chris Ralph, and I am the founder of Bold SEO Marketing. I'd like to welcome you to our super low-tech weekly SEO tip. I don't think we even edit the videos. No fluff, just good stuff. All right, so today I would like to talk about meta tags, in particular the description tags. And if you're involved in SEO and if you're creating your own meta tags for your website, you probably know what I'm talking about. But a year ago or so, I guess about 2 years ago, Google really started to rewrite meta descriptions, right? It's something that you put on the back end of each and every page, and I'll explain that very quick. So I'll use this page as an example. It's our Denver SEO location page. So if you go into the back end of your website, we're using WordPress. I'm sure many of you are using WordPress. You'll probably have a plugin where you can create your meta tags. Meta tags consist of a title tag, should be about probably no more than 60 characters. We'd like to stick between 50 to 60 characters. Make sure to include your most important keywords. So for this page, it would be Denver SEO company. We optimize each and every page for about 3 keywords. So make sure to include your most important keyword in the title tag. Stick to about 50 to 60 characters. All right. So let's talk about the description tag. All right. Right down here. Industry best practices, we're talking about 150 to 160 characters. You don't want to go over 160 characters. Otherwise, there's a really good chance that Google will rewrite those meta tags. Let me show you an example. And everything will make, I think, hopefully sense at the end of this video. So another one of our target SEO keywords, SEO training Denver. We're hosting a 3-part, it's actually now an online SEO course, still because of the, unfortunately, the pandemic. Here is our page that talks about the online, or like the training that we were supposed to hold in Denver. And as you can see here, this is the description tag. I don't think we did a really good job drafting this description tag for this page. This is why Google completely rewrote it, right? Google did not take what we put on the back end of that page. However, I think Google took this displaying the title tag as we put it on the back end of this page. All right. So what are we going to do about this issue? Let's come over here. Something that very recently happened, I think as of yesterday, the 30th or the 31st of March, 2022. If you are paying for Google Workspace, you now have a feature in Google Docs here, right? This little icon here. The AI will create a short summary, right? This is content created by Google. So I predict that if we grab this summary here, created by Google's AI, based on this content, this is a blog post that we're going to publish in the, probably next week or so. Google came up with this summary, and it actually reads pretty well, right? This article will cover the new Google Analytics 4 and how it differs from the previous version, Universal Analytics, right? It's a pretty decent summary that I think if we plug this on the back end of this blog post as the description tag, we're going to increase our chance of Google actually displaying the description tag as we have it on the back end. Let me show you an example here. If we're doing a search for this page here, one of our target SEO keywords is Denver SEO company. So we're going to do an incognito search again, Denver SEO company. We recently optimized this page, and look at this. We're actually now the first organic search results after this directory. Initially, we had a different title tag in here. Okay, I think it was way longer. It talked about different things. Then once we got this page to rank at the top in Google, we did a search for the keyword that we wanted to rank for, and we noticed that Google rewrote it, and for some reason, they put my name in there and some other elements. So we basically grabbed those elements and we rewrote it into exactly this sentence. Founded by SEO expert Chris Ralph, BSM is a hyper-focused SEO agency with offices in Denver in Boulder. All right, so my tip, and sorry I took a little bit to get there, my tip, if Google is rewriting your meta tags, simply do a search for your target keywords for this particular page and see what Google is displaying. You'll probably see, if Google is rewriting the meta description tag, these 3 ... And you'll know exactly if Google is not taking exactly what you put on the back end of this page. Simply take a look at what Google is writing about, and then try to come up with a even more sophisticated sentence that you feel comfortable putting on the back end of your page. So this was just a quick introduction to meta descriptions, title tags, etc. If you'd like to learn more about SEO, I invite you to sign up for our upcoming 3-part online SEO course. The information is in the YouTube video right below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out or comment in this video. All right. Thanks again for your time. Talk to you soon. Bye.